Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 5a, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. To get started, you want to navigate to your settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System, select Reset Options, Erase All Data. Again, select Erase All Data. If you have some kind of PIN, pattern, password, you will need to confirm it. Erase all data, and this will now begin factory resetting our device. Now this process will take a couple minutes to finish up, and once it is, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.